There we go. Oh. Supposed to be 0.55. Looks like somebody put the wrong fan blade on here when they put too heavy of a fan blade on this thing. So that motor's not going to last long. Well, something tells me, well, the bearings went on the other one, so it didn't electrically go away. And it's the same amps, should be. On this one should be 0.6 on this one. This is a heavy boy. Maybe not. Yeah, it should be 0.6A. I think it says on it. I can barely read it. 9 watt CW. So I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm going to try pulling that motor back out of that housing. It's pretty far in there. It's pulling a lot of air. I'm going to reset it on the screw holes, pull it back one, and yep, I'm going to do that. See if we can drop our amps. Otherwise we're going to have to go to a lighter pitch blade, get the amps down. Yeah, it's not going to survive. 0.55, my meter's off by 0.2, but that still puts me at 0.18 over, which ain't good for percentage wise. Well, we could be off by 10%, but that's about as far off as I'd like to be. Anyhow, well, I'm going to shut this thing down. Yeah, that's enough for that.